here.
You did? Oh, I love this. Dipstick, you dipstick!
I'm sorry, Sheriff.
Shut up, all of you! Lock him in that closet.
Sheriff. Oh, say, bless you after your body sneezes, Sheriff.
You know who you're pushing around here. I'm Roscoe. Get it! It's dark in there. I ain't going to get it. Oh! Enos! Oh! Enos!
I'm sorry, Sheriff.
Let go of me.
Wait a minute. Sheriff.
All right, now.
As for Enos and Roscoe, there was nothing wrong with them that a little old closet key wouldn't fix.
Help! Help! Enos, if the government ever saw you like this, they'd declare you a dumb guided missile. You need to collect some weapons, and then we'll collect some criminals.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I love it. Police work's my life.
You didn't say bless you again.
Hush.